channel. You're watching my YouTube channel. I'm your host. Before starting the video, I'm requesting all of you, if you're on our channel, can you like, share and subscribe, press the bell icon to all get the notification of all video. So let's start the video. Today's platform, that name is havtc.com/miner. This is a mining platform, so this is one of this platform. So you can register here, so you can use this invitation, use my invitation code in my description to get registered. So that first of all put email here and then password, confirm password, withdrawal password, and then register. Guys, I'm already done this process. I have an account. I'm going to log in. Guys, after successful log this interface come in front of you, you can see the authorized Telegram numbers, Telegram groups available, so you can check it out. So there are notification bar here and the registration date, time, and you can check it out here. So the picture of this platform, you can check it out to create your own team and earn commission. So and the pictures, you can watch this all pictures. So and there is the option of recharge, promote, and activity fact, and the revenue calculator, and the crowdfunding, and the welfare, and also the secure option. So you can customer service cumulative users, and you can check it out the cumulative user through 13 day to 13,100. And the cumulative user, you can check it out the cumulative mining outputs available. So leasing computing power and the staking powers available. So you can check out the Binance rates, Binance, OKSOB, and Coinbase rates, and their ups and downs, and there are exchange rates available. And the partners available. So corporate partner, Binance, Ethereum, Bitmain, Tron, Tether, Coinbase, and Huobi, Dogecoin, and the Coinbase is available. Share to the social media platform, and then you can see the promote option. So click this, and there is your invite QR code, and this is your invite code and invite link available. So you can copy this link and send this link to our social media platform, friends and family, and ask your family to join to your team. So share this social media platform given below and ask them to join to your team is created as. So this is your another way of commission recommended to the introduction, promotion, and reduction. Each HABTC user can use the unique referral link that can be shared with anyone, and you user or register using your referral link will being you the lifetime income commission. The link can be posted on any your social media platform, which will be high profit to get. And the profit we will get this level 1 7%, 3%, and 2% as well. So you can use this link and spread this thing to also social media platform and get the 10%, 12% income rebate from this referral link. So that is your other way of commissions. So activities, and you can check it out. Activities, the teams, the prizes, waiting for the get invites, and the New Year's Day, and the regular products documents, and the Christmas days, and also celebrating the 3rd anniversary of HBTC launch. So you can see the profits available on these days available. So first anniversary arrival, and then you can check it out. So all arrivals and all platforms dates available. So you can see the fact, and then you can see the revenue calculator. So that is the revenue calculator. So you can enter your amount and BTC, and also you can select your USD 90 day and TRX 90 day, and then USD 90 days. So 90 days income will be generated, so you can invest here. So that is the revenue calculator. So crowdfunding available. So you can check it out the crowdfunding, and you can processing and history available, and you can, so all crowdfunding details are here to show. So guys, the welfare option. So click this. Click the welfare option, and you're going to poll for the 687live.com. So you can click the next button, and after clicking the next button, you will be directed to the Bitcoin miner, and it will be mining started. So remaining welfare opportunities with 3 times. So you can use this mining activities 3 times a day. So the miner will be running, and it will generate the power of miners. So it's generating now. So let's wait for it. So it's nearly to generate the power of this mining. So mining has been started now. So get the opportunity. So you can click this option. And also customer services groups available, so online customer services, Telegram groups, WhatsApp groups available, so you can contact them to get your solve your position. So let's click this recharge button. I will tell you how to recharge. So that is a recharge option. So that is a QR code in front of you. You can make the payment, scan this QR code, and also copy it as well. Guys, I'm going to copy. After copying address, I'm going to my wallet. So guys, I'm in my wallet. Now I'm going to paste the address here, write the amount here. I'm going to deposit something amount, so you can check it. So start from the 10 USD and then click the next button. So that is the way. When you made the payment successful to the wallet, it is necessary to refresh this page, so as your account of deposit will be successfully done. So that is the way to get your recharge. So that is a recharge process. I will tell you how. In front of you, I hope you. So that is a mining pole, and that is a mining pole. Those are leasing computing powers available. So if you mining in the Bitcoin, so your power will go 20 unit price from starting from 20 to 5,000, 5,001 to 30,000, and then the prices of the per hour. And you're here, so you should check it out. So you can select one of the amount, and then the power of the per hour. So generation of the 0.76, 0.73, and 868. On if you're mining on the TRX, and you will start from the 20 TRX to 500 TRX and 50,000 TRX, and after 50,000 1 to 3 lakhs, and 3 lakhs 1 to 10 lakhs, and 10 lakhs 1 to 50 lakhs. So that is the per hour income will be generated through this 0.52 to 0.22 on this. So power leasing on the Doji and Litecoins also their incomes of the per hours GHS. So USDT GHS, you will mining will be in staking and also computing power. So this is the staking power. So if you staking here, so the Litecoin regular pledged rate return to 14.40%. At amount invested 100 to the 550,000 USD on this package, and then you can achieve the amount of this 30-day, 60-day, and the 180-day and 360-day package. And the BTC regular pledge 15.30, and also ACH regular pledge 12.60, and ADA regular pledge and 15 points. So that is the packages on the different coins of the staking option, so that you can stake here and get commission. So that is a team report of these platforms. You can find your total team recharge, team withdrawal, and team recharge, and the team withdrawals are here on the level 1, level 2, and level 3 details. So that is the income. So you can collect your income, and the miner has been running, and it can be generating income, and it will be generate every 24 hours, and you can get your 24-hour income and get this. So that is the time is running, and then you can one click to collection. So you can click this option to collect your income every day. So that is the way to get income through this click option. So you can get the miner income from this every 3 hour income you can collect it from this. So that is the account recharge, earning record, and the withdrawal addresses, and also get withdraw. To click this and add withdrawal method. After adding the withdrawal method, you will be able to